Hello and welcome. This is Story Collision in this news. The headline are KIM 6 Police FIR over fabricated statement. Hold all MPSC exams in Valley Hill districts. Supreme Court panel. Health Department forms ICU teams 6 report in 1 month. Teenage girl commits suicide over damaged mobile phone screen. TMC state BPG Prakash Majumdar arrested. 166 Bangladeshis held in Ahmedabad verification drive. Several injured after Iranian drones target Kuwait airport. Bangladesh missile outbreak death toll crosses 600. Over 2 lakh applicants paid $100,000 for H-1B visas. Now the news in detail. KIM 6 Police FIR over fabricated statement. A functionary of the Kuki NP Manipur KIM has lodged a formal complaint with the official in charge of Kampopi police station seeking registration of FIR against administrators of some WhatsApp channels and a Facebook page for allegedly circulating fabricated and defamatory contents targeting the FX Cookie body. According to the complaint filed by KIM Information and Publicity Assistant Secretary Pauzalal Hangching on June 3, WhatsApp channels Behind the Truth and Jomi Info along with the Facebook page Northeast published and circulated a fabricated press statement falsely attributed to Kuki NP Manipur. The complaint alleged that contents of the publication were entirely false, misleading and defamatory, intended to malign the image of KIM, incite communal tensions and disturb public peace. Hold all MPSC exams in Valley Hill districts, Supreme Court panel. The Supreme Court appointed 3-member committee monitoring relief and rehabilitation measures in Balanced Head Manipur has directed that all examination of the Manipur's Public Service Commission be held in both Valley and Hill districts, including Churchampur and Senapati, after finding that security concerns prevented aspirants from traveling to examination centers in the valley. In reports placed before the Supreme Court, the committee also recorded the Manipur government's response to demands for reconstruction of tribal villages and churches damaged during the ethnic violence, noting that while housing reconstruction schemes are underway, no policy or scheme has yet been formulated for rebuilding churches or other religious structures. The committee further reviewed the status of ex gratia compensation to families of those killed in the ethnic violence. According to one of the reports, the Manipur government informed the panel that compensation has been dispersed to the next of kin of 217 deceased persons, with each family receiving rupees 10 lakh as ex gratia assistance. The compensation package comprises an equal contribution of rupees 5 lakh each from the center and the state government, and the beneficiaries include members of both the Kuki and Meitei communities. Report number 46, submitted by the committee headed by former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Justice Gita Mittal, deal with representations received from organizations in Churchampur, the de facto capital of the Kukis, after 2023, seeking establishment of examination centers for MPSC recruitment examinations in hill areas. The representations highlighted that candidates from tribal districts face threat to their life and liberty if they travel to Valley-based examination centers amid the continuing ethnic tensions and therefore could not safely appear in examinations. The committee observed that all aspirants deserve a fair and equal opportunity to compete and that security concerns expressed by candidates from hill districts were genuine and actually existed. Health Department forms ICU teams, 6 report in 1 month. The Health Department has constituted district-level intensive care unit inspection teams to assess and standardize critical care facilities across the state in compliance with directives issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and an order of the Supreme Court. The teams have been instructed to conduct inspections of all government and private hospitals and submit their reports within 1 month. Teenage girl commits suicide over damaged mobile phone screen. A 17-year-old girl from Birar in Palghar district, Maharashtra, allegedly hanged herself at her house, apparently depressed over a damaged mobile phone, police said on Wednesday. A senior police inspector said the preliminary probe showed that the deceased was depressed over the lack of funds for repairing the damaged mobile phone screen. Police have registered a case of accidental death and launched an investigation. TMC's State BP Jai Prakash Majumdar arrested. The police on Wednesday arrested Trinamool Congress State Vice President in West Bengal, Jai Prakash Majumdar, on charges of illegally occupying a rented accommodation at Sol Lake on the northern outskirts of Kolkata. The landlady of the accommodation where Majumdar used to stay with his wife had recently filed a complaint at the Bidhannagar North Police Station on this account. In the complaint, the house owner also alleged that Majumdar used to abuse her and threaten her about his political influence whenever she asked for the rent. 166 Bangladeshis held in Ahmedabad verification drive. The Ahmedabad crime branch has uncovered evidence that several suspected illegal Bangladeshi immigrants detained in a citywide operation had obtained Aadhaar card through fraudulent means, initiating a wider investigation into document forgery networks and the method used to facilitate their stay in India. Several injured after Iranian drone target Kuwait airport. Several Iranian drones targeted the passenger building at Kuwait International Airport on Wednesday, leaving dozens injured and causing damage to the building, the Kuwait Army said. In a statement, Kuwait Ministry of Defense official spokesperson Brigadier General Sheikh Abdulaziz Al-Otaibi stated that armed forces are monitoring the situation in coordination with the relevant authorities and express readiness to deal with any developments. Bangladesh measles outbreak death toll crosses 600. At least 7 more children died from the measles outbreak in Bangladesh on Wednesday, taking the total number of confirmed and suspected deaths to 601 since March 15 this year, local media reported. Over 2 lakh applicants paid $100,000 for H-1B visas. More than 2 lakh applicants opted to pay $100,000 for their H-1B visas to work in the US in the fiscal year 2026. Mark Wendt Mullin, Secretary, Department of Homeland Security, said here.